Okay, now there is something I want to say. I know you guys will do anything just to make sure you damage Ogechi's image. I know you guys will look for all these porn star videos to bring it, looking for something that will attach me to something. There is a video that they are circulating. Now, who did today come on video? Video Taylor come on a porn star site. No be today. All this so much name a porn site. The person back it up. I pass it around. No video, man. Then let me tell all of you. I keep telling you guys this. Ogechi did not live a wayward life. You should know that by now. I don't live a wayward life, and I have never lived one. So all these things, shagan, whatever you guys, all this winch hunt, host, all this scandal, all these formulated stories, all this rubbish. That one no they work for me again. And I don't carry this one again. Now let me tell you, you should understand something. Ogechi is a very, 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 very ethical and principled person. Very ethical to a fault. And I'm a Zuzu. I have never lived a prostituted lifestyle before. I've been my shower before. I know them no lord my boyfriend. Or man on a song we are mad video sex. It's one thing I'm against. Or the magawa mother video mu ma emapona that bed you negotiate on Nigerian bed. This video has been on porn star site for how many years? Because of Jpac looking for a place to damage Ogechi person. When able with another video Ogechi. I don't know. And the one thing you guys should and when I Batman current. I want to show you something. And when I Batman here, on Mbala. So Lena Konya who pressing na wall. This Batmark on Lala. This is my Batmark. One screenshot or that aka, and that am fairer than that lady. Thank God that aka ya jini. Unele me when a Batmark idi otano the lady naka. This is my Batmark. Onom na kembo wa. You want to go owa manachi. Let me tell all of you. I don't like I don't like promiscuous women. Because when I met her and Igbo, there is something that I don't like, and I cannot participate in it. So you stop trying to find and the bid the bid in Nabanu, bid even Yambara will lesser bid because in the Kembado be China and Chicago. Una want to touch with my name. It's not gonna work. Nuna gave me the crown Queen Unishi. Oh, I'm more popular than ever. I knew people, I met people I never thought in my life I would ever meet. Nuna gave it to me. All this scandal, such a video, it will not work. You guys have tried every possible means. Still, not does Ogechi bien to go for maka the raining days. Maka the raining days. Let me tell you one thing. Even if today Ashimuna, my husband, they divorce wala, ndekuna line chorelom hakaja. Whether they was once married or not, or whether they are single man, they are many. Okay, when I'm something men look up to. My common sense, God gave it to me. Tell me what it is. Little investment God has blessed me. So all this one rubbish, Photoshop, bullish, leave all this rubbish. It will not pave way. Or they're possible. Yeah, no, can't even get go there zone me go the doggy. Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Who name is like this thing about as more you guys do, as more you give me fame, as people look for who is this Ogechi? Go there. You could know the cap. Abaroma shower before in my life. You want to go? So I want you to be very, very careful. You want to go? Stop messing all our lives up. Who name is like Oga Uru? Baliano Chon something reasonable to do. Oh, the popular I become. Oh, what I never bargained for. No, not give and carry and give me. And the one thing about you that Ijecha everywhere, all these people, and when anybody choro, unu ni choro moku. When you got the shino get I'm choro yoku. When I was running my normal program online, doing my thing. All of you was once my followers. I show you that chonwa koka that one koka when was. What I go? Oh, no pagaram pega me ba. Ebam no. It don't be me carry myself. No, not carry me enter where I never knew in my life. I knew that I would be arrested when I get to Nigeria. But before my lot, a lot of people I say make I no come. I say, okay, how long will I continue to say I will not come to Nigeria? The same Igbo Shedisla police are tormenting the Igbo Ibe. The same Igbo you cannot be harassing Nnewi Bani. Actually, na Nnewi anaghị akpọrọ ibe ha police. But Muna Jpac is another place. Jpac is sit here as the architect of everything. Jpac can matter on a phone. She Imaro na Nnewi anaghị akpọrọ Nnewi ibe ha police. Jpac akusuwa the person, and I'm here. The thing is recorded. Is recorded. Because before Jpac about the person actually when I so person, he has to pick up. Here Jpac puru, that's who he actually now so person. That's okay. He needs to do Ogechi or a man Ogechi won't him. Am I what I want to say? Yeah, okay now no one call ya but no lady person. Yana ya chat na what's up. First voice note Jpac Livre is that they are working seriously, timelessly to take Ogechi to Abuja. Nampata na Abuja na get him na back na get him on that ground law ko motufu oki. Ehuna how evil this Jpac is. Na ya na no ya wakeji na no Jpac and where Beleface and Escom and all this many gather to arrest me in that strength. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So he said, after me listening to that voice note, yeah, well, the person boy, the person share, why would you arrest Ogechi? I put on 18 and the police and me being intimidated. Why would you do that? Yeah, she, Ogechi Jibrashia, no, the person share, it got Ogechi and Empire Puria. He put on social media, she now, Ogechi, like this. He put on social media, now go on address, not address Ogechi. Do you know that I live in Chicago? Let's assume that address is where I live, where I reside. Chicago is one of the most dangerous cities. Anybody can pick up a gun, put it on your forehead. He was busy reading my address on a social media. Let's assume that address is my address. I don't know what Olamma get to do with searching all this rubbish. Olamma, I don't know why you're hiding. Why can't you come out face to face? Let us fight it woman to woman. Many and people to damage their name. Why? I wish you can come out. Come on again, show good muzzle. I don't know why you hide. Are you not woman enough? I problem those try to destroy their name. Because you know this game of a fight, it will be the worst mistake you guys have ever made. I just go and write it one place. Oga with the biggest draw. Ono draw on my head. I pity any useless person that allow you, hiding under the shade of other people, to fight Ogechi. But let's see how long and how far you will stretch this your wings. I got me again. Let us see the end of this game. Jpac, the person at Boya. Jpac, the person. The person that so in and Ogechi can do. No kamashi no yeje me kan ya kan do buga babum dia. I have the voice, I will play it. Imechamashi the person recording send the arame or recording na video na ga aranye mu na kan do buga babum dia. No yeje make everything possible. But Jpac achom ke mana chineke kagi ike. God pass you. People know how demonic and how evil you are. Jpac iri more than, and they do a wicked soul. One give a replicant of a demon. She is your that woman will destroy you. Mark my words. Give a Kopiana command digging a background. Even at the record, we have to hear her voice. I pity you because your end is very close. You just finished yourself. Oh, Moabuki, Ejiraka wegi. Potapota. No ga krage manamo eda era nyamuna kan dugu. Karabuom. Oge wakaga. Ashegenum. Where they shot you to death, be very careful, woman. You really wrong. Let me block you. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, fuck off. On negi kaga bobu to death. All of which you know in a video about me. Both the comments and every details. We will see to the end of this. All of you. You want to go? Let me block you. I will also step negi. I will negi jiriba show also step yakaga honest. You want to go? So all of you plans, you guys who la hunu digirimu, unu ga fall into it one after another. Unuga follow Chaya one after another. It's just a matter of time. You want to go? Happy a block to go me. Jpac Eruna, because I share this video. There is many things I'm about to say. Share this video. The main person was busy telling Jpac what to do. That idiot and intelligent criminal. That fool. That Ikenna. Get it. Agbaram get on again, mevoge. And on get drag it to your doom. Watch and see. None of you will go unpunished. And when for planning to take my head. Imagine Jpac, you talk carelessly. Go you leave information. God lead you, you leave information. Like I said, I won't talk much. But let's see how the journey will end. Na abachitere unu na ọ na-save ume Igbo. Chọziri Igbo Ogechi Igbo. And a lot of Igbo brothers are supporting me, thinking that this thing will end on my head alone. Tomorrow may be your turn. We live in a world where you got no problem at chotage. Sometimes your emotion will not control what you will be. Here game it got not like these people like go. Yes, you may not react on every case like Ogechi, But Nkime expects will drag you. You may look for help, you will not see it. All of you that gathered hands, I will sit on this blow up and I watch it happen on your heads. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. All of you that conspired, Jpac and Dss kidnap Mama and Dehawo, over 30 men. I'm not some of you guys will not become the way I was that very day. Hold on. You guys will not become Bambari Day. And I Ghana no men. Whoa. Ghana KG intimidate. And all of you guys cannot stand what I stood on that day. And I should go out to arrest trend. All of you stood and said, yes, with Ogechi. Over 8 men. Before we step out of that place, to make the story worse, ex-convict Abatagwaha, Namu and a sponsor on Jpac, Namu and a sponsor on Don Mungo men. To make matter worse, to hear people boom, man, one idiot, one Amakalami who that bastard. They can ready. Longer, making it 9 men in the car, harassing me. Wherever we have like this, Ogechi. Harassing me, bullying me. Escon Adegwaha, no more than a sponsor that they should. Now, many people at Southeast. Who did that? Men at Southeast. That means up and Jpac and a woman at Southeast. Ya Ogechi me dinner. Many people, after mentioning that I'm a sponsor, many people. Can this man bring evidence? Ebem resident Jpac go agabu mad on my behalf. Or webem buru mad. Ono man Nigerian agent no Jpac. Ono man do Ogechi na so. Nema ha so. Ono man people that have been having panther works, blood has been shed because of these 2 names. They were the name tag yam, where he made where the name he made it to name a cande. Yana down with a big problem. Came womb and the process on the way. And you think God got free? All of you that is teaming Kitadi woman. I gave brain you who got you for it's just a matter of time. All of you you guys have finished every and when also look at maybe. Thank God for my life. Thank God for my life. Come and see where those that call themselves men jubilating that they arrested only one woman. That means I've been a terror to because of unu come on ma akọwara unu. Unu come on ma akọwara unu. Onu na agaba onu gbara akapụta. You guys formed groups. Kemgbe how many years ago? Unu chino na aga ekwu Ogechi zuru ike. Na unu na-egbutere unu isi m na unu aga ahapụ m. Unu chino unu na-egbutere unu oshi Ogechi na unu aga ahapụ m. Unaga konite. All of you, how many men? And they jubilate in a video they have captured Osama bin Laden. And some people are praising all of you. Unu make off ma. Unu gudere nwoke ubu unu. The fight just started, and it will go a long way. Make everybody get ready. Eziokwu. When you got all this calling for peace, onye ọbụla gbara ibe ya. Onye ahụ mara ka mmiri ya kpọrọ m gawa court. Every case anyị mega here were available offense. Call him and Mary, and iji evidence that ọmụ achọrọ go okwu. Buri ya bịawa. Perpetual, why wouldn't I come to Nigeria? How long will I continue to say I'm not going to come to Nigeria? How long will you tell me not to come to Nigeria? My sister, a day begins a story. Let's tell this story and end the chapter. How long will you tell me to be running away from this country? Somebody apota with threats, describing me image, and I'm not a human. Blood does not run in my vein. My reply, I become the problem. We shall see. I am making healing negation there. Okay, Sean, you two talk this woman, the Jpac and Dss. May block you. What I go? One time for peace. I will arrest all of you. Na that dinner, dinner. What I go? Then after that, we start to talk about peace. Because of problem this Nigeria, have they gone to arrest their fellow men? They would not. They felt like I'm a woman, I'm vulnerable. I'm a woman, I'm vulnerable. They can gather men and intimidate me. And I couldn't have problem here 24/7. None of them have ever that men arrest. Yeah, because how hey, men are not supposed to walk into my room there. What about all water and they change if they barge into my room, video violated my human rights, humiliated me, or we hold that video, or we forward the video. I'm asking you, it's only meant for uniform people to arrest me, to come into my place. What are these ununiformed people doing? To my private end, just to take a picture. Thank God that all of their faces came out there. So nobody will deny that the person is not. It's about to get hot. It's about to get more than hot you expected. You guys humiliated me, tormented me in the name of arrest. Who gave you guys the license to walk into so-called, actually may find them on vigilante, may them arrest. With the video, mom. Thank you. If I bought how much I do the two now? Oh, you may well I'm jealous. So you may well I'm jealous, right? Eh? Oh, you're bragging out on getting a you can make she get about. You try to put on Facebook. No, happier. No. See my soup. Come and eat. These people are just awesome. The cow from my boy. And they're amazing jealousy. And amazing jealousy. Now I'm in Chandia. Come and eat my people. Come and eat my people. Come and join me. Come and join me. See what I go? So thank God for my life. Thank God for Chineke, the kind of person I am. I really stood my ground that day. I really stood my ground. I did not allow their presence to intimidate me. They did not allow me to make call. I wanted to call somebody. They did not allow me. They refused. You want to go? But thank God for everything. Even the place they arrested me to. A lot of people refused. All the people actually made the majority of the police officers actually made sure the actually made IPO. They refused because they are my followers. How can they follow me? That's no Ogechi. It's not they see saying I mean. They later start telling me why they refuse. Everybody they had to call one Ikwere man when they watch Facebook. We don't even know what happened. The man had to come and take the case. It was difficult for them. All of them became so frustrated that very day. I'm not because of Hamon, they are following me. Like I said, it will get tougher in the coming days. It will get tougher. Because I want him. I want to chop more Kumare player. I want him. Nana ya. I want him. I want you to go on Baraka. And nobody intimidates no one. I like him kike Jpac this game. Let it kike kwanko. I like him kike because I Ogechi that Ogechi is a nobody. But never knew that God will send angels from heaven to stand by me. Now we're turning village. Hello? No, which kind of service is this? The water go? Chidekeshi from heaven send there and people that got an office in call and things will start changing. They never knew that they did. They never knew that people will rally around. Because the first day, won't you my whereabouts, won't you my him again? I don't know about Waja video, tears in his eyes. Waja, you will not see better. Oh. You will not see better. I heard that you guys mocked me the very day. I can't make calls. Mama wrong. It's only on. It's only that young man. Just the boy refused to betray me. That is all the crime. The crime the boy committed Jpac. Negative mona the boy in a bed. A blue one rubbish video. And the boy have one Jpac on. Yawuna Ogechi dinner, Muna ye dinner for anything. Let everything you're looking for the town or ya. Oba progo as a brother. Pogon. Oga Treganam. Jpac got suffer. Blackmailing, that's all you know how to do. But if you also reply you, Negia, Gatima, Mama police. But you're not going to frame a young boy up. Now, Kisha South, you know them will remind them. Sorry, man. Thank you. I'm people confused. Thank you. You want to go? No, we'll get one of my video. You came for two. Oh, yeah, Kisha damage madam. Kisha damage madam. A young boy, even I wait to come at this boy, just that he's a brother. Let's not know about ya uroni. Let's not super FM now. When I eat in ya uroni. Thank God, Oba Polago Pona that Chile Regaja, Ajana Baredo. Get you work hard. You know how to blackmail people, but they are go forget them. People will not see what you are. Anyone that will tell them about, and let me now. You came out, they provided that CCTV camera. Just to blackmail Matakale. Oh my goodness, it is well. So bad. Come and eat, so God bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen. And then when I want to I'm Basaram, Yokuro, Mukuro. No, I'm not doing whatever. Well, I don't have a problem with Okuro. You know, I spoke out of anger. You know, so bloggers copy this one. I spoke out of anger, but I'm not make recalls, which I didn't know. So put on my brother. It is well. Don't take it personal. Mam na hage buaria to cause more problem. So put on. Don't let that be a big of a deal. I let her have that paper. Na but I don't want to mention the person's name. It's okay. And then the Ogechi so don't take it to heart. Talking really good time. Let me brew that one. So I put on my brother. Let test him, sir. Okay, buddy. So put on my brother. Where will I go? Oh, the same soup. Yes, I heard as you made a call. So good are you where will I go? Thank you. Sorry, no, you will name. But look, I'm going to enjoy in the comment section. Look at the verse. My husband is doing perfectly well. Okay, drop your account, let me pay. I will be okay, drop your account, let me pay for your. Oh, thank you. Try. Because listen. Because drop your account tomorrow. Yesterday. No, that even Dr. Fortunate to reach your time here at time. Yes, but yeah, but I got search here too much. But yeah, I'll let them know. Oh, thank you for the lunch you're gonna pay. I appreciate you. Where is Alisa? Hey, Alice, can't you not yesterday? Okay, how much is your dinner? Oh, my Ashna. I think this is expensive. I think this is not less than 23,000. You didn't know. Give a jogam cha. Now because you lunch come. Okay, I'm now. Yeah, we'll have to know. What time is it? You deserve better. Oh, thank you, my love. Our billionaire brother, child. Nah, you didn't. I wish you didn't. But you need to meet people that matters. In case of things like this. Oh, I really get him again. Makachi, I really get him again. I really pam so. I really pam so. I really man look at me again. Let me done with this. I really man leave me. Send the make a wire you. Oh, my brother. My brother. Thank you so much. Where is Alisa? Adaki Ibea? Hell, your account I hope was yesterday. But when Alisa pin an account more Madame He didn't know. Nandes were yesterday. The man I saw him was 60,000. And then much they really came out for me yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you, child. Another foolish. I don't check a driver butere motor man. You are loved. Thank you. Blessed in the. Don't even let you got an account to open. Stop. Why? Unless you want to create here. Okay, be calling NK. I have dashed them. NK. NK. Bona Alisa share with account, man. Okay, longest I do. Because I'm feeling that you got my account to because. Oh, that easy. Alema is coming. Share post. So what do you need? That TV. I get post. Ogalistic. Okay, you are enjoying your. Every day you. Nanda, share your account number. So. Lots book big there. Eden, God bless you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. I'm calling her now. She will pin them. Nah, listen. Can we born or can we? Okay, my friend. When the bomb name dinner, name lunch. Ulano me. You meet what you more. She's pinning it every time. Okay, let's get that account. Get it there in case. Actually, I am captured alive. Oh. Okay, I plan to get captured dead. The organ. You're going to listen, man. Okay, look at the account number. Hey, Pin, go yeah. Finally, thank you. Because lemon lunch. Thank you. Ma'am, appreciate. The great Vincent. Chideke goziere muno. You be animal. Really? Precious Patrick. Take vitamin. I will. I'm your secret strong fan. And I really. But I'm not shy the animal. I just be charity now, no fish out. So I know of course. That is about cock. At least a pin guy because no more no job. We need no more job. No more obioma. I will beg until I go to bed. Because please give me money for food. I need money for food. Please give me money. So where would go and permit yourself because they beg and continue. I sent 5K. Oh, thank you, my darling child. Thank you so much, child. I love you. Thank you so much, child. Nah, thank you. In turn. Okay, I will if you baby. I will beg. Begging never even starts. I celebrate back then. You are just una go be something. Begging never. You know, be una crown me the king. You know, be una crown me the king. Oh, the king of the game. Oh, the king. You know, I never starts. You know, be una crown me the king. Oh, the king of. Nobody will take it away from me now. Jealousy go permit you. The king of the game. Oh, the king of the. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand. You see, I'm not inside. I want to send 20K for you now. Thank you, Adonai. She does hear Have the way. Cry me a river, cry me a river. And I'm not a good guy, I'm gonna must go. Hey! The fans with the best. How are you today? I'm fine, my dear Chinedu. Thank you for asking. I'm perfectly well. We'll be buying you lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Did you hear that? Just name it. He never even. Okay, appreciate he didn't want to send. Hey, he didn't know. He didn't know. He didn't know. 20,000, 5,000, 50,000. 100,000. He didn't have him. Chideke Godzilla, my brother. He didn't have. You didn't you didn't thank you, my brother. You're a man. You're a man. Now, 5K. Thank you, my brother Chinedu. Oh, love only too much. Thank you. I appreciate. Just into my pocket, they jealous me now. The account is pinned down, my brother. I'm pinning it down. No, print, I saw print, Pascal. Now, I send them about like 200K. That really cool, where. Yes, sir, my brother, my brother. It's actually cool, and I buy a new year. Akụkọ mgbe ahụrụ 100,000 agbalịla gị ụkwụ elu pụta ahụrụ ya kapụta ụkwụ n'ala. The never ebidokwala nụ. Never starts. Ebidokwala nụ ma esetela mba dem for ndị odogwu. Oh, Rona gave me the crown king. I didn't ask for it. Unu just nye me asị. Eze ama na Ogechi. I didn't waste your time. I just would crown king name from 10K to 100K. I know here and when you hit a cool down. God will love you and regardless. Thank you, my darling. People that love me beyond my errors. Until you do give away. Papa, you know I'm shinangapata. Biawanya. You know I'm shinangapata. That is supposed to be petting me now. I may hope you're my Magatanga Geshem, you may hope you're my child. You need good hearts. But you will be a man. You will let him Nanga. Will be a man. You don't have a good heart. You let him condition man. Mshinangapata. Child. No, be a magician like gas you give away. Hey, my sister, you get mine. You get mine. Garangang, Chana got 3 days. You know, you get mine at all. Child. Nga. Onye talong got 3 days. 3 days I have got 3 years so. Gain weight the mind. They make I do give away. My brother, my sister, you get mind. Child, Andy, my brother, get mind. Very bad one. But may God forgive you. Because I have forgiven you for saying that. At this condition, I lost from 3 days. My enemy jubilated for 4 years. And they came back on the 3rd year. Oh, don't. Okay, you too strong. 3 days. What they eat like they nah. Chima korono. Imenga. Na ihona onye nwe hono agụ na agụ ya. But if you get mouth, you no go gree chop. E mana nri shota sumpa na shegi at in fact in driga joge but driga jo that zone 13. She what really happened? One lady and I write an Ogechi. I got really moving alcohol. Everywhere stew. Everywhere stew. People, I should get the Igbo. They really came out for me. They really came out for child. Forget every morning. Down. And I keep guitar. Ogechi. I like this. I don't know who these people are. I'm gonna be Namana, but they be young. Even they were saying Queen Hashim, Queen Oge. Majority of them they follow me. 80% they follow me. Now all these old people no sabi me. Young guys, no, including those girls. I'm to Chicago, my hire lawyer. That reminds me. The money you guys gave me yesterday for fish. At least I'm not 300. Okay, I appreciate another 50. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, this is very important. Let me make this. It's very important because when two girls that I met Eba Mungara, Hashina Madam Moha, Borohoshi, getting to two months and 2 weeks now, very soon, yeah, about 3 months. And when the lawyer Beba Joha to bail them out. Actually, they were 4, 2 boys and 2 girls. But in them show I'm more concerned. When I woman already somebody really want. I told you. No woman you see? Be welcome. Yarona me and I had an idea and thank you so much. In I can be in our here once in a while.
I'm not sleeping.
Yeah, yesterday. I was working a shares.
I'm not telling on the kitchen. 2 times right now.
Oh, on Kabalia, it's so cheap. Oh, I'm good. This is my first time of seeing you.
Right. Fine.
Okay, nice to meet you. No?
Thank you.
Maybe I didn't pay attention. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Eh? Okay. No. Who is this? No. No. This, they were 4, 2 boys and 2 girls. But today, my attention goes to those girls. One of the 23, I think one of the 25, if I'm not mistaken. Madam Moha. And has 100 million here. Imagine the girl is 100 million. The girl shows him. But not to trade small money. 300 and something thousand. Then let her ask you to pay for the 300,000. You understand what I'm saying? But the other girl, when you go to the account here, the woman she tell no ref goose to your ref. Ima, actually I'm new here Buga something more. So now, no lawyer, nobody ever come there to ask about them. Now, yeah, they do test it. They test it. They do test it. That's the protocol. That's the procedure. You must test. But I don't really I only believe. Okay. I go once. Oh, thank you. 50K. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now, Madam Hailita, that's 100K. Sorry, 100 million. Mommy, if I take that money, will I look like this? I'm telling you, no lawyer. Which I'm then on getting to 1 year, to write statements. Only one papa nonga, one name work for Abuchi Maki. Anyway, yesterday, people in the megas, I let us show about 300 and something thousand. Now, because I need a lawyer. I need a lawyer. Even a lawyer got better that based around Anambra State. Many a graduate. No, they got only the MJ cars yesterday. Well, they are. Got hired to go to those girls. All they very important. So, if you have any lawyer around Anambra State that can be able to, ascertain in this thing. major go, I'm a lawyer, don't charge much, all these local billing and all that. I really want to see why they are still there. And I would like to own the human rights activists around this Anambra state, either way, human rights activists, before I'll be able to hand you over to be such on keep here. Now you cannot detain someone without for 24 hours. It's not good now. If violate go their right, so that 370,000 yesterday, can have 8,000, up with 8,000, chop I no go chop. So I go buy the another fish. So make I use them. So if you need any lawyer, I use Anambra State. I would like the woman, like the man or the woman, and that are woman rights. No, I don't believe that. Justice. So much, yeah. Let me block this idiot. Time to block you. Yeah, fuck off. You let her go. I got the just TKF and they have a lawyer now. They will now processing their papers. Oh, your name, I contact other madam. So let's go. Can I go? Those girls are too young to be there. They are not their age. I got what I'm there. I was busy making my money. Young age, because I'm getting a warm now. Kilo Olumaya like this. Okay, how can this woman now go and fetch for the surgery? People get my door. Police they see this woman, they come here, they visit some picking. And now the shaman here what the go to surgery. I never see you. People get my door. Capable human rights activists. Not this Anambra State. You help my brother. They help. You know what, brother? I get up on a petition. But Gota is here. I'm talking about here. Gota comes here. I'm talking about I believe that Nubutumo is still growing. I think Gota is here, but this place from here, Tena. So I got in the two human rights, any allowed interested because I run the lawyer the case now. Toga speak here for them. A lot of guys. But some of you go to go log to even solicit. Just say when one boy in the morning division who also like to solicit for the boy. The boy, the young, very young guys. So all one of them. Actually, I had the 2 boys and 2 girls. So I'm going to. That hope I'm again. But I am going to be a watch as soon as you walk out of here. HF, so, look on me. Any lawyer, human rights lawyer, let them begin to go for that. Those hits. Because some are woman. Let them go and speak for their release. It's not good. So we can as well help the mother too for surgery. That's a good idea too. The good side, and not the main thing anybody to see my good side. You don't need to do it for you because I'm the reason why God still they protect me each today, or because of my kind nature. I'm not doing it for anybody to see the good. Any name they may do come back to me because of this life we live Ghana. Look at Ogechi say, I'm stubborn. Oh, I'm very stubborn. I won't even when you do this stubborn. I'm the West here for a long time. I'm stubborn. I don't listen. And I'm against the majority of time, but still, God still have grace on me. All because of things I do for others. They may not appreciate it, but my kind gesture, my kind heart. See, you may see me as a bad person, but it's not my heart. You can't take it away from me. The only thing that will take it away is that will take my kind heart away. You can't care bad, get your national, but obim or do not too. So you must not see what I do is for future reference. Some there's this game when dig a help spirit how will guide you for the rest of your life. When dig a help, you able to get a problem. But that will not stop us from helping. I'm gonna help you carefully. And that is what I'm doing. Carefully. So that is it. So you want anybody that is capable. Watch them KCK release those girls. Some of these number their number. Number with phone with Interpol. Or I my phone. I should make it everything. That's banana barangos. She will my phone when you're in the den no. I don't know what I'm also. Yeah, when you back her up or fake money, what's in concern me? She will always be a loser. Thank you for those of you that sent money today for my food. Yesterday night was fun. 300 and something thousand. Thank you. I appreciate today too. Chineke gozere moon. I appreciate. Don't worry, God will put them to shame. So, how should I get home as yeah? Don't touch now. I should not get him. Not getting him. I mean, care. You men get many vocalists. That lady, Lari, be fail na the place. She uncle get in fact, he Chineke da. Them chori me Imagine she say she dey craze. Mpie you to akamu abra me ha. Oh pam ma koda ge. Onye kpabiri ga kamera ga epere. Ma eji ga enyicha this place. Eji ga ndere I want Muslim because answer. Okay, block who? Who do I block? One day I keep on getting sweet potato. I want to get sweet potato. Anita, I love you too. You might be remember one of these police officers now. That boy, Mama boy, you know one number police lawyer somewhere. For where? Or we are not approved lesbianism in the bay. Guys, thank you. No. for feeding your sister. You appreciate. Thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you, girl. But in these upcoming days and weeks and months, we gotta be very hot. We gotta be very, very hot. So, like Jpac, many bloggers get it for. Njoko, I know the wahala. I'm a very lovable soul. I don't want to see my ugly part. What should I get? Now I get prove ya. No way, shall I add in them mad? I don't know. Okay, let me see what I add. It's gonna add. I'll call you back.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Alexia, good morning.
Good morning, there. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Mm,
Welcome. What I've been looking
thank
for a way
you.
to reach out to you. Imana Nigeria. Nigeria is a lawless country. I will advise you if you can keep everything that happened, on a low key until you go back to US. You can start to do your thing, because is it that country? It's a lawless country. So Biko, if you ask me, just let everything be on a low key until you travel back.
Okay.
That's just what I want to tell you. I'm looking to message you DM, but I couldn't find. It's like you're no longer in the
Okay.
messenger. That's why. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Her voice is so sexy. Only Italo. Voice you like something. You a bad boy. You a bad boy. You a very bad boy. Jeff, thank you. You're a very, very bad boy. Only Italo, you're bad. You're very bad. I don't know. You didn't know. I know as soon as I was arrested, they were their history of Igbo. I had the these people have been waiting for the day they see say, okay, don't enter trouble where she don't go come out. I say, let me tell you, a chameleon can never change. You want to go? So now this saga, anybody where they come say they look for peace. People you really when a banter works with hey believe that organ will be organ will destroy. They never forgive you, then go poison you. See this line of things. I just laugh. Yeah, I don't suffer. Anybody where they look for, we no get to go for, we shortly for before me. And what by him? And what by who came in apaga? And what by who came in apaga dio? You will prove me she got it. When who came in apaga? So if you they wait until when you go here say, Ogechi bad news, they rejoice. I just they look you, they laugh. Because I'm getting from as you think bad things are happening to me, the good things keep happening. Good things keep happening. Things keep managing God. Does it mean that in batch of evil will you open? I don't understand. What I go? Make everybody be careful. Oh. See this is this the person who on you call it Bamjiri Boya as nothing. Many people don't call them like that. Oh. You see how she hana give una game na piece obi me pay. No be like everybody. When they got any day where you phone and see go see them. They come they go the right. You know be when I say I don't forgive you, I don't forget, I don't let go. You know be how people do. Just send 20K now. Hey. Oh. You naked nanda. On a Taiwan, you naked nanda. On a Taiwan, you naked nanda. It's time to talk to your son about Monday matter. Please, I am just asking for his sake. Kings, Omas, don't worry. You should not be concerned. I sent 10K. Okay. Yes, so my billionaires, this ones here. Let them have the my own billionaires and they are here. And when they can die here. Ayana, please, Oga, I want to come to you. So we go take a video. We go do we are doing our own here. My billionaires are here watching me. My trillionaires are here watching me. Thank you so much, Edward. The COS, we are jubilating, saying that they might arrest me. I don't die. Emotional, my own. I'm not taking glory. Emotion that could not handle their own problem. Well, those ones are just emotional time for rats and crayfish. This your gum cut for me. That's what it is. Huh? We're doing a wapash. You think we should add the clothing? Because many more is waiting to be added in the list. I don't want to give relevancy to people that don't want it. You know, come here. You don't know. You guys are baseless. So when they're gonna reply. Have you arrested me? Only Igbo was vomiting rubbish. Let him vomit now. Oh no, Igbo, I want you kai. I want to weed. She shut up. Okay, she. You know, take on no serious. No, Igbo na ungu. Yang hana gufu. Yang kai. Ya koiriwe. No, Igbo na ungu. When pasta. Oh my brother, I like Romeo, but when I call you. deport me. Only who my brother, but when I told you, I call him both for the only Kemo. I love him. I'm not gonna dispute that. I love him as a brother.
Hello, okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No, when would you folk Makagi? If I set up, I reply in the person, say I cause a nonsense. Oh no, who was praising you, no who was supporting you, oh no, who was transparent. They are just to use those brain get oh no, when would you form made in job? Oh no, who was for you. I apologize to him, he was for you. I saw the video he made.
And when you okay, when you jump through here. Oh no,
keku nwoke genti keku nwoke ni na yesi na achụ ụmụ nwaanyị na ụmụ ke nwere aka ọlụ
why you just marry that June? Why you just marry that Kobe? Iman on a party somehow.
amụrụ maka nke ama nka ma m na-ekwu onye adịghị ihe akịta achọ ịkọs problem ignore their messages.
Ama m na ọ na-akọ iri mgbe ụfọdụ ọ na-akọ iri mgbe ụfọdụ na
onye adịghị nonsense achọ ịkọs wahala ignore their messages. For everything ha dị ka before after the nonsense I verify ya before iwe kwube ihe ọbụla am o goes there and say hey n'ihe adịghị ihe akịta chọrọ
my brother I watch the video ahụrụ m ebe ọ na-akọ iri na-akpọ my daddy ahụ ọ bụ iwe m ebe ọ nọ I get him the video iwe m ebe
I understand but yes
ọ na-akpọ my daddy ahụ he need to stop that rubbish.
Yeah aghọtara m ka dị magodu mana don't mind them. They just trigger you. Maybe can have say Alicia travel there. Alicia travel na mogamu. Oh ma say Alicia travel only one na mogamu. Actual for you get call you. Don't try to verify before you know. Because this is what they do. They want to put trouble between you and people.
In the
I heard you 100%. I understand you.
Okay.
But this I understand. Don't worry. Comment. Just ignore the person.
But I get him the video. You when we have about my dad, Yoku.
Okay. Can you back Olilanyan Dimo? Ogechi was captured alive. Ogechi was captured alive. Will actually capture you dead because all the army of Uganda get you there. One noon, why get you a what can he be an oku on? So look at the get him working.
So I'm working. And I hope that's working.
Hey, I never did. I want back. I could go get you okay, bravo. I said, I could get okay. Yeah, disgrace to men.
Thank you.
Disgrace to men. I was so disappointed, I swear. Hey, they are working on a Zuzu. I read on Bruno myself. No, Ezigalo, no, Ezigalo, who reclaim more glory. Don't worry, it is well. God is by your side. What are you here making? And Katanina by
my brother is about to get more tougher in upcoming days and months and months.
What is again, man? Yeah, I'm also for gonna on with you, and I say, Batagi zo me video in actually when you hamba. You make investment in a touch full of 15 hours. What's your automatic investment in Nigeria? God forbid, how long will it last? How long? You fight this thing once and for all. I am saying, fight once and for all. We were mad. One thing about this whole case, and then you hear on one call, mad. Once in a mad, you are good to go. I didn't feel now. And then they go this case, so we don't need only seen a can or broken one. Only seen a can or Johnny as a mad, equally child delete. So he send the man secret child delete. Ogechi send it. Ogechi when you say a child delete. So if I thought no one the Ogechi camera, mother care qualia. Okay, if I thought so what do you want me video case I what case sit here by my dear? Say yeah, boss forever. So welcome home. Man, not katana chia so see bianatana. Didn't cause abatano need to abatago. Yeah, batago Nigeria. na nke na-ata anụ ewu ana m ata enjoy ọ dị nnọọ ka m na-asị onwe m ka Ogechi ntakịrị Naijiria ka ife ya emenụme batakịrị Naijiria ka ife ya emenụme a sị na ofu afọ ya azụ ife anyị emekenụme once and for all. The only thing bụ na ọ bụrụ capital offense igburo mmadụ. The only thing kasị onye ọbụla obi na this case there was no death case here ọ bụrụ death sentence ọ bụrụ iwu not just na akọrọ ọnụ ọtụ ikpu amụ a na-akọ everyday you understand so nwere onye nwere ife na-eme nwere onye anọtọ n'ụwa dịka every year mmadụ anasị mmadụ ibi ya batara akụkọ onwere enweda monopoly everybody nwere equal rights safe mee once and for all onwere ife na-eme so no ya bụ the thing what ife na-eme n'oge. Oh my dear, most of these commenters now because the cause of all these problems. I now you don't want to betray go you don't want to betray go enough. Just make sure that I confirm because in there were plans. How will you fake account for put follow one?
After that,
by them after that betray let's try to come there because I want to get when I teach you about that very happy. Of course, teach me name a video on your behalf. That's that teach okay, Ghana will go and just that teach now only. Hey, you know, talk about take us at top, keep that thought teach now. Now these people get their point.
I know they watch those. You know, I know they watch those trash anymore. I don't listen. I don't watch. So I don't. How they can damage the wall. I know they hear them anymore. So I don't know what is going on over there.
Thank you, General. For saga. Just treat face obesity. Go to court when I'm madam. Now because they are banned on there. I call you name. Na katana call you. Na issue bonda na enwa anwole. Onye nwa ya na Stella. Oya pụta. Blah blah blah. Thank God for your victory. What if man? Oh, Monday, Abuja, God will be with you. I'm not so. I come on Kuyaba Abuja, but so what? God will be with you. Victory will be yours. Victory will be yours. What if man?
A lot of people are interested in the case, and that like about you talk, people that matters.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, if you know them with connection, every connection can call you also video. It is well, let you seek
Okay, my brother, thank you. Guys, I can galapo, we got many calls. Galapo, can get call them. I'm back on my room.